like it when shows like have an ending in mind when they start the show, because then
Yes.
you know, you get a nice conclusion instead of this like ongoing show where it just starts going nowhere.
Sorry, but I'm gonna say Supernatural's one of those. It should have ended at like season 5. I'm sorry. I know unpopular opinion right now,
as far
but
as the storyline goes, I can agree. But as far as just, you know, enjoyability and watching it for
okay, I know we liked seeing the show run on for a while, but once they started throwing like Leviathan in there,
the Leviathan was the season that like got me to be like, what is going on? But they did kind of bring it back.
Yeah,
You know,
they brought it back around
Yeah.
finally.
Yeah.